Good morning, everyone. I am Vishakha. Welcome to Crypto TV. Here are the news headlines. Cryptocurrencies edge higher on hope Fed may deliver smaller rate hikes. Crypto exchange CoinFLEX lays off 50 to 60% staff to cut costs. Yuga Labs to charge 5% royalty fee on MeBit's secondary sales. Bankman-Fried's Alameda funds Web3 production company. WisdomTree's Q2 average crypto assets down nearly 12% on the year. Star Wars Boba Fett NFT drops on VeVe. Two soccer teams transfer a South American player using USDC. And now the news in detail. Cryptocurrencies continue to edge higher amid expectations that the weakness in the US economy will likely force the Federal Reserve to slow its pace of rate hikes later in the year. Bitcoin is on track for its best month since October. Investors have taken comfort that 2 straight quarters of contraction in the economy may encourage the Fed to slow its pace of rate hike. US Fed Chairman Jerome Powell Wednesday indicated that at some stage it will likely ease off to gauge the effects of higher rates on the economy. The rebound in cryptocurrencies is in line with higher closing of US stocks Friday, with major indices posting their best month since 2020 amid optimism over Fed's move. The 30-day correlations between Bitcoin prices and equity indexes tightened over the past week. The S&P 500 gained 9.1% in July, while the Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 6.7%, the strongest monthly showing for each index since November 2020. The tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite climbed 12% for its best month since April 2020. Bitcoin traded at $23,890, reflecting a small gain of nearly 0.2% on a 24-hour basis. The biggest cryptocurrency, however, was on track to end a 3-month losing streak with at least an 18% gain, the biggest percentage rise since October. Ether, the second biggest cryptocurrency, traded around $1,710, up 0.2% in a similar time span. The native token of Ethereum's blockchain is up 57% for the month, the biggest rise since October. Cardano's ADA token traded around $0.52, up over 2%, shrugging off a delay of Vassal, an upgrade aimed at increasing Cardano's scaling capabilities by a few weeks. Vassal upgrade had been scheduled for a June release on testnet, released followed by mainnet launch. Crypto exchange CoinFLEX said it laid off over half of its workforce across departments and geographic locations to cut costs as it seeks a full recovery after halting withdrawals last month. The job cuts at CoinFLEX follows the company's recent proposal to compensate depositors and strengthen its financial position as it seeks to recover over $84 million in debt owed by a large individual customer. Co-founders Sudhu Arumugam and Mark Lamb said in the blog post that the intention is to remain right-sized for any entity considering a potential acquisition of or partnership with CoinFLEX. As part of its recovery, CoinFLEX stated that it is still looking to distribute RVUSD tokens and Flex coins and plans to offer trading of locked versus unlocked balances starting next week. Non-fungible token behemoth Yuga Labs said that it will begin taking a 5% royalty fee on secondary sales of MeBit's NFTs starting immediately. The change was made to help keep this meme party going, the company said. The collection did not previously charge royalty fees. Yuga Move is aimed to bring in funds via the collection, which it acquired from Lava Labs earlier this year, along with CryptoPunk's collection. Of its headline collections, Bored Ape Yacht Club and Bored Ape Mutant Club currently charge a 2.5% royalty. Other deeds, the NFT connected to the other side virtual land plots charges 5%. Trustless Media, a neo Web3 media company, said it received a $3.25 million funding led by Sam Bankman-Fried, CEO of FTX and founder of Alameda Research. According to Zach Guzman, the firm's co-founder, the community-owned non-fungible token media company wants to produce NFT episodes in which individuals in possession of NFTs dictate and own the show's content. The firm plans to air its first show, Coinage, in the fall. Coinage will investigate crypto stories via a skeptical lens. WisdomTree's crypto assets were valued at an average of $265 million in second quarter, a decline of nearly 12% from $300 million a year ago. The figure is also a 22% decrease from the $324 million recorded by WisdomTree for first quarter 2022. WisdomTree's crypto assets under management fell by $235 million over the course of 3 months following a dramatic decline in the digital asset markets, with Bitcoin falling 37.7% in June, the most since 2011. WisdomTree managed $74.3 billion in assets across all elements of the company at the end of the quarter. VeVe, in collaboration with Star Wars, introduced the first ever collectible release of the fan favorite The Empire Strikes Back fame Boba Fett NFT. The famous Underworlders collection's very own Boba Fett will be available in blind box format on Saturday, July 30, 8 a.m. PT in 3 rarities. The Underworld's collection offers everything the Star Wars galaxy has to offer, including smugglers, bounty hunters, and thieves from a faraway galaxy. The Underworlders collection's NFT features make their debut in the guise of the Boba Fett bounty hunter in Series 1, Boba Fett. The 3 Boba Fett rarities are Boba Fett Ready for Action with a common rarity, Boba Fett On Guard with an uncommon rarity, Boba Fett I Have You in My Sights with ultra rare rarity. São Paulo, one of Brazil's most important soccer teams, announced the acquisition of Giuliano Galoppo, a player from Argentinian mid-table club Banfield. What made it special occasion was that money was transferred in the form of USD coin, a stable coin via the Latin American exchange Bitso. The announcement was interpreted as an attempt by Banfield to evade the current country's foreign exchange restrictions, which oblige exporters to convert their US dollars into Argentine pesos within 5 days of the transaction. The operation between São Paulo and Banfield may have cost less than a swift one, but it appears that the Argentinian club will not be able to avoid currency risk because the club will be required to convert the full amount of the transaction into Argentine pesos at the official exchange rate. That's all in the news today. For more such updates, keep watching Crypto TV. This is me, Vishakha, signing off.